Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today is going to be a cook on a brand new air fryer that I just got, the Power Air Fryer Pro, and we're going to be doing some ribs on it, country style ribs. So when you get into it, you're looking, you're like, hey, these aren't the regular ribs that I was looking for. I'm going to leave a link in the iCard above and below where you can watch where I did some spare ribs on the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite. These machines are dang near identical, so you can check that out as well. I think that thing's at like 23,000 views or something like that. So we're just actually follow the same guidelines we did for that as well. But these are going to turn out amazing, and I'm trying to get them super tender and fall off the bone. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. All right, so we have some country style ribs. This is what we have here. See if we can get you down here and look. There we go. Pork loin country style ribs, got them on sale. These are awesome and really, really good. And if you cook them right, which we are going to cook them right today, they are super good. So anyway, we're gonna unpackage them and get them seasoned up and throw them in the air fryer. It's super easy. See you in a second. Okay, this is what we got. The ribs here, took them out, and as you can see, they are nice and meaty. Bone in the bottom, they are bone in, country style ribs. And there's nothing to it, I literally took them out of the packet. All of them are just the same, bone in and whatnot. And we're just gonna season them up. All right, so what we're gonna use to season them up, and now you can use any kind of seasoning you want. I prefer, when you do this, go in with the, whatever your salt base is first, which we're gonna start with this. Cosmos Q's Texas beef. I know it says beef, but this is a salt base. It's good on all kinds of stuff. We're gonna go in with some of that first. Then we're gonna go in with some garlic jalapeno rub and finish it off with some honey chipotle. So let's go ahead and get this seasoned up. Okay, we got them all seasoned up, all sides seasoned up, and those things, they already smell delicious. Awesome. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and we're gonna put them on the air fryer rack and then pop them in the air fryer, season them up. Okay, so I just basically put them on the air fryer racks here. I'm gonna use 2 racks, and the reason why is because you're gonna want some airflow through everything. So put them all close together. You're not going to get all the airflow anyway. So that's as easy as it is, and let's go ahead and throw it into the air fryer. Okay, we are at the air fryer. So we've got our first rack. Here it is, going in, and we're going to put this on the top rack. Just like that. We'll slide right in, and this other rack, second rack, is going to go on the bottom. Just like that. Super simple. Got them seasoned up. Got them on the racks, and we're in here. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna pump this thing, or turn this thing on, and we're gonna actually go down. And if you hold it down, it actually goes faster. But we're going down to 250, and for the time, we're going up to 90 minutes. And that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the start button. Oh, there it goes. It does turn on. There's your light. So we will see you in 90 minutes and see what we got. Okay, so there is the beep after 90 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. So I'm running for 90 minutes straight. No checking, no nothing. I'm just going by what I did with my other ribs. And so far, let's see. Need to look here, or well, they look pretty good. The camera is not doing any justice to these, I'll tell you what. Put those, let me check the bottom rack real quick. And just, oop, let me get you up here real quick. Just expected. Alright, so all we're going to do is we are going to rotate. So the bottom rack is going to go on the top. And the rack that was on the top is going to go on the bottom. Oh, they're feeling soft. I just had to feel them. They're feeling super soft. So what we're going to do is close this thing back up. Alright. We're going to go back, power on, and we're going to, this time I'm going to hold the button down. There we go, a lot easier. Down to 250 degrees. And we're going to hold that plus sign up. See if we can get you here. Oh, anyway, 90 minutes. And we're going to do another 90-minute cycle. And it's actually going to kick on. There it goes. So we've done one 90-minute cycle. And we'll see you in 90 more minutes. Alright, we have 21 minutes left. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull these out and sauce them. Okay, we just got some simple Sweet Baby Ray's, just your old school sweet. We're just gonna put some sauce on here. That's it. Let's go. There we go. A little sauce. Just like that. And I'm gonna do the other ones as well. I just wanna show you what I'm doing. And we're just gonna glaze or this barbecue sauce all over it. Just like that. And some over here. Okay, so actually I got both racks glazed up. So what I'm gonna do is actually, I'm gonna grab the other ones over here. Oh, they already fall apart. And stick them all on one rack. Ooh, those are hot. And they're falling apart already. Nice. Man. And put them all on one rack. Alright, there's one rack. Finger looking good. I'm gonna throw them back in the air fryer. Alright, here's what we got so far. Those things already look amazing. We're gonna go back in the middle rack. Here. Just like that. And, oh, let me bring you back up top. 250. With 21 minutes left. So we just opened it up. We had 21 minutes left. And we glazed them. And 21 minutes, we'll be done. See you in a minute. Okay, we have 1 minute left. I'm just gonna pull them. Let's see what we got. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, the steam is, ooh, look at that. Oh baby, those are phenomenal. I can't wait to try them. All right, so we are gonna try them. We'll see you in a minute. All right, we are finished with the cook, and I can't believe what we got here in the air fryer. Check it out. I know you already seen it, but let's see if we, oh yeah. We're gonna get you all over the place. Let's try it. Let's see if they're actually tender. They're hot and tender. Ugh. Woo. I'll be right back. Alright, so they turned out tender and awesome. My only recommendation would be to cook them maybe about 20 minutes less, because they turned out a tad bit dry, but they were still really good with the sauce, and they're still juicy with the fat, with the pork and everything. So, but overall they turned out amazing. Absolutely. So I just want to say, if you guys are new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. I'm going to be putting out a lot of videos on this new Power Air Fryer Pro. Check the iCard for other videos because the Power Air Fryer Oven Elite is pretty similar as well. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of these. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next cook.